The world's first dedicated attack helicopter, the AH-1 Cobra, was developed in the mid-1960s, based on the AH-1 Huey helicopter by Bell Helicopter. Bell had been working on armed helicopters since the late 1950s, with the Bell 207 Sioux Scout being one of their early experimental designs and serving as a technical precursor to the AH-1. The Bell 207 was developed under a contract in 1962, based on Bell's D-225 concept, which later became the AH-1. This specialized, heavily armed helicopter was approved by the military and served as a technical validation for Bell. The Bell 207 was not based on the AH-1, but rather featured a new nose design combined with the tail section of another classic model, the Bell 47 helicopter. The Bell 47, developed in the 1940s, had modest flight performance but was known for its simple and reliable structure, and is still in use today, especially as a training aircraft. The Bell 47 featured a tandem cockpit design, providing excellent visibility for both the pilot and the weapons operator. This design, still in use today, placed the pilot at the rear and the weapons operator at the front, both with their own set of flight control systems to prevent the weapons operator from being idle in case of a pilot accident. However, the weapons operator's controls were located in the front, while the flight controls were on the side. The helicopter was powered by a Lycoming TVO-435, a 6-cylinder horizontally opposed air-cooled engine, capable of producing 260 horsepower. The rotor and tail section of the Bell 207 were similar to the Bell 47, but the Bell 207's tail boom and other parts featured a streamlined shell, improving its high-speed flight capabilities. In fact, the aircraft's performance was better than the Bell 47. In terms of armament, the helicopter was equipped with an electrically operated turret under the nose, housing two M67.62mm machine guns, with a horizontal movement of 200 degrees and a pitch angle of -45 degrees to 15 degrees. Short wings were mounted on the sides of the fuselage to enhance the helicopter's flight performance and allow for the attachment of external fuel tanks. After some modifications, the helicopter could also be equipped with weapons such as rockets, anti-tank missiles, and gun/rocket pods. Only one Bell 207 was built, with the serial number N73927, and it made its first flight on June 27, 1963. However, its flight time was limited, and by the end of the year, it was transferred to the U.S. Army. The Army was highly satisfied with the aircraft and urged Bell to develop a more powerful version, which ultimately became the AH-1. As a technical validation aircraft, the Bell 207 Sioux Scout was very successful, and many of its basic designs are still in use today. However, its performance was limited, and it did not possess combat capabilities. The Bell 207 had an empty weight of approximately 850 kilograms, a maximum takeoff weight of approximately 1340 kilograms, a length of 9.36 meters, a height of 2.83 meters, and a main rotor diameter of 11.23 meters. It had a maximum speed of 169 kilometers per hour, a cruise speed of 135 kilometers per hour, a maximum altitude of 5,400 meters, and a maximum range of approximately 400 kilometers.